Today I'm making a brown sugar cinnamon stuffed French toast. First I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have 1/3 of a cup of whipped cream cheese. Next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Then I'm going to add a sprinkle of cinnamon. Mix that up until everything is combined. Next I have some brown sugar cinnamon swirl bread. I'm going to spread the cream cheese on one slice of the bread and then sandwich the other slice together. Next I'm going to make the batter, so in a bowl I have 1 egg, then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, then a sprinkle of cinnamon, then a splash or 2 of heavy cream. Mix that up until it's combined. Next, dip the bread in both sides in the egg mixture, and then I'm going to place it in a fry pan on medium heat with a little bit of butter. After a few minutes, flip over the bread and let it cook on the other side. Once it's done, add it to a plate and then continue cooking the rest of the French toast. Once it was done, I added it to a plate and I added a little bit of whipped cream, and here's an up close look.